Hello everyone. Hope all of you are doing well at your home. This is Mamta. I am going to discuss some of the chapters from your GK book, which is chapter 20 to 23. Okay? Contents of the chapter would be chapter number 20, Nature Mania, 21, Quiz Time, 22, Books into Movies, and 23rd chapter is An Act of Kindness. Okay, so these four we will cover in this video, and these are the contents for us. So first chapter, that is Nature Mania. Here what you can see that there are some of the questions and there is clue box. With the help of that we are supposed to fill the blanks. First question is plants that live for 1 year. Okay, plants that live for 1 year, they are called as annual plants. Annual means yearly plants, so it would be annual plants. Number 2, the only flying mammal. The only flying mammal is bat. Number 3, ship of desert. Ship of desert, to whom we say we call out ship of desert, it is camel. Why? Because they have too much adapted for the desert habitat and they can walk on the loose sands very easily with their padded feet. So that is why they are called as ship of desert. Number 4th is these sea creatures can find objects with the help of sound even when blindfolded. They are dolphins. Number 5th, a type of tree that keeps its leaves in winter. It would be evergreen plants. Okay, so the type of tree that keeps its leaf in winter, it is evergreen. Number 6, the creature that lives both on land and in water and begins life as tadpole. So they are amphibians and it is frog. Number 7, juicy fruits that can be black, blue, green, purple and golden in color. So this fruit is grapes. Number 8, small plants that are used as medicines or to flavor food. They are called as herbs. Number 9, a large lizard that live around the Pacific in America. It is iguana. So this was our chapter number 20. Now chapter number 21, it is quiz time. Here again we will be discussing some of the questions. Question number 1 is, which is the richest country in the world? So richest country in the world is Qatar. Number 2, which is the poorest country in the world? So poorest country in the world is Democratic Republic of Congo. Number 3, which is the largest country in the world? So largest country in the world is Russia. Number 4, which is the second largest country in the world? Answer is Canada. Question number 5, which is the smallest country in the world? So see, smallest country in the world is Vatican City. Number 6, which is the largest island in the world? Island means land surrounded by water. So the island, which is the largest island in the world? The largest island in the world is Greenland. Question number 7, which is the largest temple in the world? So the largest temple in the world is Angkor Wat? Number 8. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Largest ocean in the world is Pacific Ocean. Number 9. Where is the world's longest railway platform situated? So, world's longest platform is situated in India, and that is in Gorakhpur, UP. Okay, Gorakhpur, UP. So, this was our chapter number 21, quiz time. And the next chapter for us is books into movies. There we will see there are some of the famous books on which the movies have been created. So many popular books have been adapted into movies and have gone on to become equally popular. So number 1 is The 101 Dalmatians. This is number E, where you can see the picture. It is an animated movie. Number 2, Night at the Museum. This is number D. You can see the picture. Number 3, it is Life of Pi. Life of Pi, it belongs to picture number 1. Number 4, Jurassic Park. Jurassic Park is number C. Then number 5, The Hobbit. The Hobbit is number B. So these are certain books which are very famous and they have been converted into movies also. And the next chapter that we will do is an act of kindness. Now see the act of kindness, what does it mean? Whenever we hear the term kindness, the thing that come into our mind is what? Kindness is defined as the quality of being friendly, generous, considerate, affection, gentleness, warmth, concern, and care are the words that are associated with kindness. Okay. Here in chapter number 23, it has been discussed an incident for a boy who was very poor and hungry boy. When he reached a home and asked for a glass of water, one lady came and she said that you must be tired, have a glass of milk. The boy replied, thank you for your kindness. Then the boy slowly drank the milk and finished it, and then asked, how can I repay you? Then lady replied, oh dear, kindness is priceless. Then after many years later, the same woman fell ill and was hospitalized. Then a doctor named Howard Kelly was examining her. And then Howard said, I will look after this patient, send me all her medical bills. Later on, after a few days, when the woman was fine, she was handed over the bill along with a note from the doctor, who was actually the young boy whom she fed milk, had already paid the bills. And it was written, paid in full with a glass of milk, Dr. Howard Kelly. So this was the incident. Now the next page we can see there are two questions. Question number 1 is, take the action which show kindness. Now we can see there are 5 pictures. Number A is a boy has fell down and the girl is helping him to stand. Number B is a boy is providing water to a thirsty dog. Number C is a boy is pushing another boy. And number D is there is a man who is distributing something into the children. And number E is a girl is helping an old woman. So in this question, which of the pictures are showing act of kindness? This is number A, when a girl is helping a boy. Number B, where a boy is providing the water to a dog. Number C is not an act of kindness. Why? Because pushing each other, it is not good. Okay, and it is not at all an act of kindness. Number D, a person is distributing something among the children. This is again an act of kindness. And number E, where the girl is helping an old woman, is also act of kindness. Next one is question number 2, where we will have to say an act of kindness for the following situation. First situation is a boy cannot find his way back to home. In that situation, what act of kindness we can show? We can help that boy to reach his home back. Okay? Second situation is, suppose if your classmate has forgotten to bring his textbook. So in that situation, what act of kindness we can show? The act of kindness would be, we could share or we can share our textbook with our classmate. Number C, your mother is not feeling well. In case if your mother is not feeling well, you should allow her to take some rest and you should help her in her household care at least up to the limits you can. Next one is, a bag of vegetables has fallen from the hands of your neighbor by mistake. So in that case, what should you do? You can help him out to pick up the vegetables. Okay, this is the act of kindness that we can do at least. Okay, so this was the content of your chapter number 23rd. Now this was the last chapter, so thank you everyone.